Hello everyone, how are you? Today we will talk about the video graphic card driver. Sometimes the brightness of laptop don't work and not working. Like you can see setting here brightness, scroll up and down, it's nothing to work, nothing is working. So how can we fix it and how can we check if our Wi-Fi graphic driver is installed or working or not? Here we go, this PC, right click on manage device manager. Here you can see where is my mouse cursor, there device manager. Here display adapters, here click on display adapters. You can see it's mentioned Microsoft basic display adapter, means we are using basic display adapter, so we have to install display driver. So how can you install? There is two procedures. You can right click, here you can see update driver software, you can click on update driver software. Next dialog box, search automatically for driver software, click on this. The best driver install on internet, your driver is not searched automatically by window. So second procedure you can do, go to Google Chrome and mention your laptop model and company name. Like we have Dell, so we will download Dell driver. So I have already downloaded it from Google, so here is it in zip file. We will copy out from zip file. It's must to download exact your model and company name video driver. You can find it on Google Chrome easily. So this is Dell E7250. You can see Dell E7250 file video driver. Double click, here you can see this is graphic driver. Hit click on install. Let's see, yes, it's working. Hit click on next, yes, next. It's gonna start to install. I am telling again, it's must to install correct driver file with your model and company name. If you don't match with your model and company the driver file, then it won't work. So you can see it's installing the video driver. It's very easy, you can do it at your home, you no need to take any tension. Here we go, click on next. Here is asking enter graphic driver. You must restart the computer for the change to take effect. Would you like to restart? Yes, I want to restart computer now. Finish. After restart, we will check if our brightness gonna work and our basic Microsoft adapter gone or not. It's restarting the laptop. Welcome. So here we go, refresh, setting, brightness, yes, here we go, You can see its work. Down, scroll down, its brightness low. Scroll up, it's going brightness up. So you can see, go to manage, device manager, and display adapters. Here we go. You can see Intel R HD graphics 5500. The where my mouse cursor, you can see before there was basic HD graphic. Now driver is successfully installed. I hope the video will help you. If you have any question and query, you can ask in comment or DM. Take care, bye.